Best Shein slime in 2026, the ones worth buying and the ones that are a mess. If you're thinking about buying slime from Shein, you'll find a wide variety of options including butter slime, crystal slime, fluffy slime, foam smile, and DIY slime kits. The texture and quality can vary between listings, so it's worth comparing products before placing your order. Start by reading the product description carefully. Check the slime type, container size, recommended age, and whether accessories are included. Then read recent customer review and look at real buyer photos to see if the slime is soft, stretchy, and non-sticky, or if the buyer reports problems such as drying out, leaking, or arriving with an unpleasant texture. When your slime arrives, inspect the packaging before opening it. If the slime feels stiffy, knead it gently for a few minutes before deciding how it performs. Always keep the lid tightly closed after use to help prevent it from drying out. And avoid mixing different slime together unless the product instructions recommended doing so. If you're shopping for the best experience, butter slime, fluffy slime, and DIY slime kits are often popular because they're easy to stretch and play with. Crystal slime can also be enjoyable if you prefer a crystal, glossy texture, but some listing may be sticky depending on storage and the specific formula. Example, if you're choosing between a butter slime and a crystal slime, compare the number of recent reviews and customer photos. A listing with consistent feedback about its texture and durability is usually a safer choice than one with a fewer reviews.